I'm Susan Spratt. I'm a descendant of Brattonsville. My father's mother was the granddaughter of James Rufus Bratton. I am piecing a quilt with my sister and a few of the other descendants. Once we put the quilt top together, we'll put the top on the top, that's why it's called the top, then we'll put the batting, which is kind of like the stuffing, on the middle, and then we'll put a piece of fabric on the bottom. And then you quilt all three layers together. That's why it's called a quilt. What we're going to do is we're going to quilt the names of the people who were enslaved and freed during emancipation. And what I hope to do is to have this in a quilting rack where all of the descendants, black and white, can come and quilt a name, and or more than one name. And this doesn't erase what happened, but it does call attention to the fact that the people who were working on this plantation were human beings and they deserve to be remembered, and this is a way